In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave collab projects in Soundation. If you've been working on a shared track and it's time to step away, there's a built-in option that lets you exit cleanly without disrupting the rest of the team. I'll walk you through exactly where to find it, what it does, and a few quick tips to make the transition smooth. Start by heading to your main Soundation dashboard. This is the page you see after you sign in, and it's where all your projects are listed in one place. If you're currently inside the studio, just navigate back to the dashboard so you can view your full project list. Think of this as your control center for everything you're collaborating on. Next, locate the collaborative project you want to leave. Take a moment to double check the title so you don't exit the wrong one. If you have a lot of projects, use the search or sorting options to find it faster. Shared projects often have visual indicators that they're collaborative, which can help you spot them at a glance. Once you've found the correct project, look to the right-hand side of its name. You'll see a dotted options menu, usually represented by 3 dots. Click that 3-dot icon to open the project's action menu. On smaller screens, this menu might be condensed, so you may need to hover or tap to reveal it. From the drop-down menu, choose the Leave option. If a confirmation prompt appears, confirm that you want to leave. After you do, you'll no longer have access to open or edit that project, and you won't receive further updates from it. Your previous contributions remain in place for the rest of the collaborators, but your participation ends immediately. If you change your mind later, you'd need to be re-invited by someone still on the project. It's important to know that if you're not the owner, you can't delete the project. Deletion is reserved for the owner only. The leave function is the appropriate way for collaborators to exit without affecting other members. Before you leave, consider a quick check-in with your team so everyone knows you're stepping out. If there are parts you might want for your personal reference, make sure you have your own copies in advance. And if you don't see the leave option, there's a good chance you're the owner or you're not viewing the project from the dashboard, so refresh the page or verify your role. That's all there is to it. Simple, fast, and tidy, leaving a collab in Soundation is just a menu click away. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.